It is finally time to move out to our decks and our patios. Well, I am at Terra Casa with Diana, and Diana, you can help us really decorate those ideas.
We're hoping so.
So tell us about these little cars, and these aren't just cars for the kids, these are for big kids.
These are for us. This is a fun, functional art for your garden, for your patio, for your back deck. These are coolers, actually. Most of them are coolers out here. There are some planters as well, and they are meant to be outdoors year-round. They have plugs that go into inside for drainage and everything, but they were invented by a guy named Aaron Jackson from a company called Think Outside, and he started this company. He was the brainchild, and he's now employed about 300 people in small communities in other countries that can make these, and gives them a job, and it's very sustainable.
It is. They're all recycled, and they're really durable too.
Very much so. They're all metal. They're all welded together with rivets, yes.
Excellent. And the unique shapes. I mean, there's something for everybody's hobby or their interest.
Great conversation piece when you have this on your patio filled with Corona, right?
And Airstream. I mean, there's a whole club about Airstream people,
yes.
So that's really clever. And people that love cows and animals, and even motorcycle enthusiasts.
Oh, yes, motorcycles, boats, there's everything. There's all different kinds, something for everyone to put in their yard. And then they make a variety of yard art that you can hang outside, bird feeders as well as planters that can go outside, and metal pocket holders, wall pocket holders. So there's just a huge variety. This is it's all recycled materials as well, which is really nice, and it's fun, very fun.
It is fun because you can have this usable art right on your deck or patio. You really need to come out to Terra Casa to see all the beautiful pieces, to add some interest and fun to your patios. Thanks so much, Diana.
Thanks, Judy.